Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this video is on finding missing angles at arcs in circles. So this is problem 15, obviously, from today's worksheet. I want you to notice there's a 66-degree angle right there, correct? Well, if we look at that 66-degree angle, I know that if I do 66 times 2, I know that from here to there, that arc is 132 degrees. Now notice right here, follow the green, I still need to figure out some way how to figure out what that missing arc is, right? So what else do we know? Well, we also know this red 93-degree angle right here, don't we? And if I do 93 times 2, I get 186 that goes from there all the way to there. So that's 186 degrees. Let me clean that up a little bit. So we know from there to there is 186 degrees. Okay? And so what do we do now? Well, we already know that that's 96. Follow the green again. And can't I find this missing piece from there to there now? If I do 186 minus 96, yeah, I now know that this green arc from there to there is 90 degrees, right? 90 degrees. And I know, follow the purple from there to there is 132 degrees. So now all I need to do is take 132 minus 90, and notice I now have figured out that that missing arc right there is 42 degrees. Okay? So, in a nutshell, let me clean this up again a little bit, because it was getting a little messy. Okay? So using gold first, what did I figure out is from there to there is 132 degrees. Follow the green. I already knew from there to there is 96. Follow the red. And therefore I know from there to there is 90 degrees. Again, 186 minus 96. Look in the right corner of the screen there. Is 90 degrees. And since I now know, stay with the red right here, since I know that's 90, I can figure out that missing arc by doing 132 minus 90. And again, that missing little piece there is 42 degrees. Okay? Let's try at least one more. First, pause the video if you need to. Okay, so let's take a look at number 17 here. What do we know? We know that this angle right there is 32 degrees. So does everybody understand that arc right there is 64 degrees? Again, all I did was 32 times 2, 64 degrees. The arc is always twice as big as the inscribed angle, as we like to say. The arc is always twice the inscribed angle that cuts it out. So now that we know that's 64, wait a minute here, follow the green. Isn't that a diameter? And so a diameter is always 180, right? So I know, follow the red, from there to there in red is 180. So if I do a 180 minus 64, wouldn't I figure out that this missing arc right there is 116 degrees? And that's my answer. Well, that wasn't so bad. Pause the video. So hopefully you paused the video and thought about some more. But since that one was so easy, let's try one more. Here's number 19. So what do we know again? We know that this angle in there is 44. Therefore, we know that arc right there is 88, right? 44 times 2. Now notice, if you look, there is, oh, wait a minute. There's a diameter right here, right? Follow the green. So I'm going to do 180 minus 88. And see, 10 minus 8 is 2. That's 92. So now I know, follow the red, that that missing arc right there must simply be 92 degrees. Okay, guys, so pause the video again if you need to. But basically, guys, you have to remember circles are always 360 degrees. Diameters always split a circle in half, so that's why we use 180 for any diameter. Okay? And inscribed angles are always half its arc, or the arc is always twice as big as its inscribed angle. And when you put all that information together, you're able to solve some basic angles inside a triangle, as well as missing arcs or parts of the circumference of the triangle. Until next time, guys, bye.